Great, 245. Said someone got stabbed. Victims in a gray hoodie and dark colored jeans. We're staging medical.
1415 code 3.
I copy code 3.
Charlie 10 code 3.
Code 4.
33204 code 3 from thanks.
Code 4.
113 code 3 from Fruitville.
Code 4.
About 3 minutes,
The victim's concourse level near the restroom.
15 near the dumpsters.
The victim's concourse level near the restroom. We're still in line trying to get further. Got so far 6 BMAs, most wearing jeans and sweatshirts. And we'll go closer to here for 19th Street.
15.
15?
Go stab him to the abdomen. He's conscious and alert. Go ahead and have medical enter. The names with the black are witnesses. They're 97.
10-4. I used the 19th Street. We're being advised in the trail of the Antioch town.
At least either a double or a through and through on the chest side.
10-4.
15.
15.
Our subject, our victim's low HPD and hard to get any info from him. Sounds like it's semi-cooperative.
10-4.
That's 41. Where are they at again?
Concourse level near the...
Boy 15, best entrance for medical is going to be the B3, Broadway, and 19th. B-Boy 3, Broadway, 19th.
We're heading to the trail right now to see if we can get any additional information, any witnesses or anything.
10-4.
That's 41. When was the last Antioch train that came through here? He's saying this happened about maybe 30 minutes ago. Look for a crime scene in that train of car if you can hold it there.
10-4 or something. Charlie 27 or 26.
27, I copy. I'm en route from Antioch.
Six four RPM 3210 is reporting had a BMA and a red hoodie, had a sweater for the officers on scene. Kind of look out for a BMA red sweater.
Copy BMA red sweater. And units at 19th Street, was the trail clear on the Antioch now?
Well, just be advised, on 3210 X-ray in, there is blood on the ground.
10-4.
41, Deeker, can you come up here so you can follow the victim? Try to get a better statement.